Cleanroom steel doors are made of high-quality steel for high strength and durability. The door frame is equipped with high-quality sealing strip to ensure excellent sealing performance, effectively prevent dust, bacteria and pollutants, to meet the strict requirements of the dust-free workshop. At the same time, the appearance of the door design is generous, the color is diverse and customized. The cleanroom steel door can provide a variety of opening methods according to actual needs, such as double door, single door, inside opening, outside opening, left opening, right opening, and can add functions such as observation window to meet the use needs of different scenarios. Steel doors produced by Suzhou Pharma Machinery are widely used in many countries and cleanroom projects due to their durability, strong sealing, corrosion resistance and easy cleaning, antibacterial performance, and easy installation.